front of me I have the big picture sample kit. This is the kind of thing you would get if you wanted to make a real impact, make an impression. You had a problem that you wanted to unblock and see something in a different way, but you've probably not seen enough of a big picture to order one of the bigger kits yet, so maybe you just wanted to try. So this is what we call our sample kit. It would have your address on the front. We'll just go for a bit of unpacking. So the idea with a sample kit is to give you a sense of what it's like to use big picture. So we've got the big sheets here, the big A2 pad, we've got a few sheets of the A4, you've got a collection of stickers and some of the poker chips. And what this would allow you to do is to get hands-on, jump right in, have a go. You could use this for the webinar that we run every 2 weeks, or you could use it by speaking to me, taking some tuition, trying it out with colleagues, actually getting shoulder to shoulder with your colleagues, giving big picture a go.